If you are relying on last year's YouTube strategies to drive serious revenue today, your plans are about to turn to dust. What you actually need is a rigid, 5-step system. This blueprint works whether you are breaking down AI tools, testing health routines, or teaching how to earn online. To make this work, you have to accept the reality of the platform right now. There are no shortcuts. You must commit to uploading consistently and analyzing your data ruthlessly. Surviving the algorithm today means stripping all guesswork out of your process. You have to lock in a deliberate, strategic blueprint before you even think about hitting record. Step 1 is selecting an evergreen topic and wrapping the raw facts in a proven structure. By using a narrative arc like the hero's journey or a specific challenge, you create a sense of purpose and excitement that encourages viewers to revisit your content. Step 2 starts before you draft a single word of your script. You have to design your thumbnail and write your title first. In 2024, creators competed by cramming massive text and bright colors into every pixel. Now, the feed is overwhelming. To actually win clicks today, you have to give the viewer's eyes a rest with a clean, single-subject design. This is called a Neo-Minimalist thumbnail. The rules are strict. Use a pure white background, place one central object, and use only 2 colors. Your title has to match that level of clarity. You need to place your most important keyword within the first 40 characters so it does not get cut off on mobile screens. Once you have your options, you run them through YouTube Studio's native Test and Compare tool. You keep tweaking the designs until your click-through rate consistently holds above the 4% benchmark. By locking in a high-performing thumbnail and title up front, you confirm that an audience actually wants your video before you spend hours producing it. That brings us to step 3, scripting your hook. If you start your video with a generic introduction like, "Hi, I'm so-and-so," viewers will leave immediately. Instead, we use a strict 30-second timeline. In the first 5 seconds, you execute a fast entry. You grab their attention by explicitly stating the exact outcome or payoff they are going to see by the end of the video. From seconds 5 to 15, you clarify the promise. You tell them exactly what they are going to learn and how you are going to show it to them. Finally, in seconds 15 to 30, you establish the stakes. You give them the emotional or intellectual reason why this information matters to them right now. Getting this 30-second blueprint right is the single most important factor in turning a casual browser into a committed viewer. Step 4 is optimizing for session contribution. In 2026, the recommendation engine is looking for videos that not only hold attention, but also extend the user's total time on the platform. To keep that contribution high, you need to drop microhooks every 2 to 3 minutes. Tease an upcoming point or deliver a quick win to refresh their attention and pull them deeper into the content. This chart shows an audience retention line graph in YouTube Studio. You verify your pacing is working when this line stays flat and steady across the middle portion of your video. Now, look closely at the steep drop at the very beginning. Many creators panic when they see this, but it is completely normal. It is just the algorithm testing your video and filtering out the viewers who are never your target audience. To boost the satisfaction side of the metric, ask your audience a highly specific question around the 60% mark. Leaving a comment takes actual effort, so the algorithm weights it far heavier than a simple like. When your content keeps people on YouTube through multiple videos, it signals that your channel is helping the platform reach its primary goal. This alignment is what drives the algorithm to suggest your video to a broader audience. Step 5 is utilizing the platform's newest tools to scale your reach. If your channel has under 500,000 subscribers, you can instruct your early viewers to use the hype feature, which gives your video a manual push onto the Explore leaderboard. That algorithmic push helps you reach the foundational milestone of monetization, crossing the threshold for the YouTube Partner Program and activating your baseline ad revenue. But relying strictly on ad revenue is a massive vulnerability. Top-tier creators operate as enterprises by layering brand deals, affiliate links, and their own digital products on top of their views. Combining high session contribution with a layered monetization model creates a consistent path for scaling a channel into a sustainable business. You now possess the complete, proven blueprint for 2026. You know exactly how to select an evergreen niche, package your concept, script for retention, and stack your revenue streams. But keep our initial warning in mind. This is not a quick way to get rich. It requires you to consistently sit down, analyze the data, and deliver high-quality content that builds trust over time. So do not pick up your camera yet. Your immediate next step is to outline your title and design your Neo-Minimalist thumbnail. Once that is locked in, sit down and script your first 30 seconds using the fast entry timeline. Complete those steps today, and you are ready to build a lasting YouTube business.